Okay, here is my dad's farmhouse. We're at the top of the house. I'm in this golf cart. I'm going to drive down the driveway. This is how we get around. There's the house. Really beautiful. We've got some huge trees. This is one of the fields. So there's a good look back up at the house, right there. I know this might be boring. Another pasture. There's the barn complex. One of his horses. Let's see if we can't get him to come up. Come on, boy. Come here. I think he's more interested in eating. Oh, maybe. Come here. Come on. Come on. This is one of his race horses who's retired for at least until the end of the summer. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Say hello. 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 Yeah. So these are some of the other barns, and where the farm manager lives is right there. You probably can't see it. It's beyond that big tree. So that's a picture of the farm, and the house is back up here.